I'm going to Japan. Oh my gosh. We leave on Tuesday. It is currently Friday. I was planning on vlogging this whole week, vlogging my prep leading up to the trip, but I have not done anything to prep for the trip. I have not packed a single item. I have not done my shopping for like the toiletries and the small things that I'll need. And tomorrow I'm gonna be busy all day at a music festival. So I just have this evening, because it is currently like almost 7 p.m. right now. So I have tonight, Sunday and Monday to get ready for being in Japan for 2 weeks. Sunday I'm getting my nails done. Tonight, y'all, we're doing my hair after the gym. I'm about to head to the gym. We just finished our itinerary last night. So we're just procrastinating and pushing everything to the last minute because that's what we do, I guess. But I feel like I'm talking at a million miles a second. A million miles. What? If you don't care about health or like clean ingredients, keep watching. Because I just tried these legendary protein Pop-Tarts. The cinnamon ones, brown sugar cinnamon. So fucking good. Literally tastes like a brown sugar Pop-Tart, which those are my favorite. The brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts are my favorite. And those taste exactly like it, but like better because they're thicker and gooier on the inside. So literally amazing. I feel ecstatic right now. I feel so high energy. I feel so happy, so excited. Yeah, that's all I have to say. This is the intro. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you're stuck. Get out. Oh my God. Guys, it's time. It's freaking time to do my bangs. So I don't know if this was the right thing to do, but I put Aquaphor on like the parts around my bangs I didn't want to get bleached, because I'm pretty sure I've seen people use petroleum jelly, right? And Aquaphor is basically just petroleum jelly, right? I think I'm just going to put it on my roots for a few minutes until it starts to look a little yellow, and then pull it down into the rest to try to, I don't know, make sure it's even. There's a lot of still like yellow in here. I mean, I ain't a professional. I did go to cosmetology school, but I'm not a professional. It was a long time ago now. Guys, I don't remember anything. Okay, guys, I'm scared. I don't want any banding, you know? Like, I do know about that. And I remember giving people banding in school. So that's cool. Sorry to those people. We're gonna part with this screwdriver. Okay, I filmed half of it for YouTube and half it's time for my TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. It's Happy Camper 406. Camper with a K. Okay. We are doing the peak. Okay, guys. I am getting a little low energy. I'm very excited, but I am getting tired. It is 11 p.m., which I'm never asleep until like 2 a.m., but I'm usually in bed by now, scrolling TikTok, so, you know. Baby kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. This isn't cat safe. If it was, I would make you pink. Should we get you cat safe pink dye? Yes? Oh my gosh. I need something to create a barrier between the pink and the green. Into the green. This is a lot darker green than I thought it was, even though it matches the cover perfectly. I don't know. Y'all, I don't know. This is actually the first time I have ever had green in my hair. I've had teal, but I've never had like straight up green. Okay, the colors are on and we just need to let them sit. I don't know how long I'm gonna let them sit. Okay, little nuggets, it's finished. It's literally Sunday. I dyed my hair Friday, but here's the finished results. I think it turned out really freaking cute. I really like it. I went to the music festival yesterday. I only have a couple little clips I'll show you from my Snapchat. Oopsie. But yeah, so this is the finished results, and now today I need to get packing. So you're gonna come along with me while we pack. Okay? Okay.
I'm fucking with her still.
I'm fucking with her still.
Someone's stealing?
This is what we're looking at the moment. I just have everything laid out on my bed, and I'm writing down everything I'm going to pack, and like loose. My mom left her dog down here with me, and so he's upset that she left him. So just ignore his crying. But I'm trying to just make sure everything kind of
TB is okay.
I'm trying to make sure everything color coordinates so that I can swap things around. Obviously, we're doing pink, green, white, jean color. And I'll be packing lots of accessory, my pink and green ties, my pink and green tights.
The app I'm using won't let me use any music. So listen to me sing to this montage of me packing.
What up? Outside with it vlog.
Okay, so I meant to vlog because we just did our shopping for the trip. We got our airport snacks and we got some like toiletries and shit, but I forgot to vlog our Walmart trip. But I'll give you a haul when we get back to the camper.
You know, I've got something better to show you.
What are you gonna show them? No. Okay, I'm exposing us.
Expose.
This is the state of our camper. For some reason, my cat thought it would be a good idea to piss in my husband's suitcase. So now he's gonna have to use a different suitcase. Yeah. Okay, it is Monday, the day before our trip, and I'm gonna go get my nails done now. I have a few more little packing things to do, but here's my fit. Black linen pants, black t-shirt, white sneaks, little Adidas hat. This is weird, but I've never gone to get my nails done alone. I've always gone with a friend or like my sister or my mom or something. So it's nail time. Nail time. Of course, I did not film in the nail salon because I got too much anxiety for that. But, y'all, they're so cute. They turned out so good. I literally was just gonna ask for one hand pink, one hand green, and then the ring fingers reversed. And he had a much better idea. I literally love them. They're so cute and they match perfectly. He helped me pick out the colors. I just love it. I had such a good time. Look at them. Update. Okay. As you saw, I got my nails done. I finished packing. I packed up my entire suitcase and my personal item. I need to clean up this monstrosity. I don't know if you can, I don't know what angle, I don't know what you're seeing, but we need to clean this monstrosity so we could do a little cleaning montage, guys. I just filmed some TikToks of my nails. yada yada. Posted some Instagram pictures. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram, that's actually weird and crazy. Hi. Happy Camper 406 on both. Just saying.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Clean that floor, girl. Scrub it. Scrub it clean, yeah, yeah. Scrub it clean. Crochet faster, Anna, because you're not going to be able to finish your freaking scarf that you planned all your outfits around, and you're going to be really sad because you're not going to finish it. You're running out of time. You're running out of time. You did.
Okay, so Joseph, close your ears. Last minute crocheting this scarf that I planned basically all my outfits around, and it's not finished, nor is it close to being finished. We have to be awake in what, 3.5 hours? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How do you feel?
Being that I'm gonna have 18 hours in 4 days.
Okay.
I feel great.
What does that even mean?
I've been grinding.
Last minute packing doodle daddles, and it's almost time. So that means this vlog is almost done. Say how you love them.
I love the vlogs. I'm a diehard
I
supporter.
meant the people watching.
Oh, I love my people watching.
Okay, I have to do the intro, the outro, I guess. Thanks for watching.